dear students, welcome to ITC online session. Today we will be learning about how to find mean by our third method, that is step deviation method. We will be explaining this sum by our first question of exercise 14.1. As you all know, in the question itself it has been given that you need to find mean. You have already studied about our two methods. Number one, that is direct method. Number two, that is assume mean method. Now we will be learning today our third method, that is step deviation method. First of all, you have to copy down the information from row into column form. That is, first is class, second one is frequency. Now from these two, first we will be finding xi. Xi is nothing but the mid value. Mid value is calculated by averaging these upper and lower limit, that is 0 plus 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. 2 and 4, that is 6, 6 upon 2, that is 3. Same way 6 and 4, 10, 10 upon 2, 5. 8 and 6, 14, 14 upon 2, 7. 10 plus 8, 18 upon 2, that is 9. 12 and 10, 22 upon 2, that is 11. Similarly 12 to 14, 26 upon 2, that is 13. Now in this step deviation method, the same rule is applicable. If the number of observations are odd, then the middlemost observation, you can see here the number of observations are 7. So middlemost observation, it can be any value, it becomes our assumed mean. Now in this step deviation method, it is very easy. The one observation which you have assumed mean, exactly you have to write 0. Now the observations above it, simply you have to write -1, -2, -3. Downstairs, that is below, 1, 2 and 3. This is the simplest of all the method. You have to simply write 0 just above the value, just exactly at the value which you have assumed as mean. Upper observations in continuous manner, it will be -1, -2, -3. If there are more number of observations, it will be -4, -5 and so on. Just below, that is from this 0, you have to write 1, 2, 3. If more observations, then 4, 5 accordingly. Now next column is multiplication of these two values, that is fi and ui. 1 into -3, that is minus. 2 into -2, that is -4. 1 into
Mr. Akshay, please pick up the call.
5 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1, that is 6. 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 into 3, that is 9. Now you have to do summation of all these observations, that is sigma fi ui. First we will be doing addition of this minus value, that is -3, -4, -7, -1, that is -8. Plus we will be doing summation of this positive value, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 9, that is 19. -8 plus 19, that is equal to plus 11. Now simply we will be substituting these value in our formula. Now the formula to find mean by step deviation method is x bar is equal to a plus summation of fi ui whole upon summation of fi into h. Now here a is 7 plus summation of fi ui, that is 11 upon summation of fi, that is total of this frequency into h. H is difference of this class interval. 7 plus here 2 gets cancelled out. 11 upon 10, that is 7 plus 1.1, that is 8.1. As you can see, the answer by this method is also similar to those which we have obtained by our any of the method, that is direct method or assume mean method. Thank you. Hope so you have understood how to find mean by this method. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video. Thank you.